I'm so bored, Daddy.
Hey, donkey. Hey, little donkey. Why you hit me? Why you hit me? Why you hit?
Ooh, Daddy.
What, Jeffy?
Daddy. Shrek hit me.
I don't care. You're dumb.
What?
Hey, Jeffy.
Do you hate me too?
No. You're my
My
best
daddy
friend.
hates me?
You're my
Shrek
best
hates
friend. Always being rude. Always smelling like poo. My best friend wears a diaper, pencil in his nose, and he's super dumb. My best friend. Yeah. You're my best friend, Jeffy.
You did not just call me stupid, did you, Junior?
Nope. Want me to invite Joseph?
No.
Why?
Because he got Rona.
No.
He got the coughs.
What about Cody?
No. He got hunky Rona.
I'm so hunky. I'm so hunky. Look at my abs. Oh my God.
I want to watch some TV.
What are we gonna watch?
Oh.
Let's watch Despicable Me.
No.
Destruction in Magnitude.
Shut
Oh
up.
yeah.
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up.
No.
Why does God hate me?
Let's play the Wii.
Okay.
What should we play?
Mario.
Which Mario game? There's like a bunch. Super Mario Galaxy. Right.
No.
Alright, new Super Mario Bros. Wii.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I'm gonna go through
You
this.
really know me.
Yeah! I won! Alright, your turn, Jeffy.
Well, okay. Okay, Dada. I'm gonna make you die 1,000,000 times on purpose.
One.
I'm gonna make you die 1,000,000 times, Dada. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, the batteries died. Oh,
One.
the batteries died, Junior. What do we play now?
Let's play the Switch.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, we got two Switches. This is your Switch.
Oh
this
yeah.
is my Switch.
See, it's even got yellow.
Alright. Yes, I built my wood mansion in Minecraft.
Oh, I just set it on fire, Junior.
Jeffy, why is your mouth not moving?
It is.
It doesn't look like it.
It is.
Jeffy! That's it. I'm turning off your Switch. Well, we can't do that.
I'm just gonna go sling some leg. Take the mask, Junior.
I can't believe Cody came in. Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on, guys? Yeah, what's going on?
No, I can't get Rona.
Jeffy, there's holes in your mask.
I can't get Rona, I said.
You're gonna get Rona. You're gonna be the first one in this house to get Rona.
They don't even have masks.
You're so stupid, Jeffy. Well, we got our masks on. Mine are so cool. I still look cool with it.
Hey, Junior.
Yeah?
Junior, come here.
What?
I need to show you something.
What?
Open your mouth like really wide, okay?
Oh my God, Junior, did you just die? Holy shit measles. Haha, you thought I was gonna say shit. Oh no, I just said it. Junior, are you okay? Coronavirus. Corona.
Good thing this mask is protecting me.
Oh my God! Oh no, I need to use my time traveling Wii remote. Then my time traveling switch. Ah, shit, this one's out of battery. Then my time traveling headband. Haha. Shit, it's out of battery. Why?
You don't have Rona. I'm facing the other way.
Now you got Rona.
Nope, my mouth was closed.
You only got a few days to live.
Son of a biscuit!
Mother biscuit. Mother
Miss Fischel.
Mother trucker.
Mother Miss Fischel.
Mother What's going on here? Jeffy, what's wrong with you? Guys, Luigi gave me the coronavirus.
Always being rude with some magnitude.
I already had the coronavirus.
Junior,
What?
you can be my pet turtle. Spanky, 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 spanky.
Jeff, you just let me die. Holy Mitt, did you just kill Junior? Junior, you were my best friend. Jeff, you're gay. My best friend.
Saw it on Despicable Me. Look, I saw this on Despicable Me and I thought it was funny. Oh yeah.
I just want to die. Guys, I came up with the cure for the coronavirus. It's bird poop. Bloop, 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 bloop.
What about me?
Bloop.
No more Rona.
No more Rona. No more Rona. Oh no, what about the flu? No! The flu. The flu. Oh, the flu. Now we're all gonna die from
Son of a biscuit! Hi, you thought I was gonna say the B word. Gotcha!
1 month later. I can't believe they died of the coronavirus. Dun dun dun!